Ardha Chandrasana Half Moon. It's one of my favorite poses because it gives so much benefit to the body. Step with the feet wide apart, one leg turned 90 degrees outside. See that your knee is looking towards the first and the second toe. What's most important that your hips should be aligned with the longer edge of the mat, should be parallel with the longer edge of the mat, and before attempting the position you may try practicing Trikonasana or Hero Pose 2. And slowly lean to the side, touch the floor with your fingers and raise the other leg up high. The two legs should close 90 degrees. See that both legs are firm and strong. Don't overextend the supported leg, and see that the back of your body is engaged. Spine inserted deeply inside the body, and elongate your spine. Look up. See that the shoulders are away from the ears and there is power in the core muscles. Keep it for 6-8 breaths and after slowly come back to the middle. And now let's continue with modification or easier version. Have a brick and place the brick from the little toe 45 degrees away. Align your hip parallel with the longer edge of the mat. Inhale, raise the hands to the side. Exhale, lean to the side and place your palm on the brick. See that the supporting leg is strong. The other leg is also strong, firm, and engage the wall muscles on your back. See that there is a 90 angle degree between the supporting leg and the torso. Both sides of the torso should be long. You should be very symmetrical. Shoulders away from the ears. Use all the bandhas. Engage the bandhas. Insert the spine deeply inside the body. And if you want, you can look up. And when you kept it for 6-8 breaths, then slowly come back to the middle. Now let's see the more challenging versions, variations. Bring your body in alignment and after slowly for inhale, raise the hands to the side, and for exhale, come back to the full version of Ardha Chandrasana. When you feel stable in this position, then you can bend your knee and make a loop and grab your ankle with the upper hand. See that you're pushing your sacrum inside the body and forward the psoas muscle. Feel as a bow, all the joints are engaged. And let's see another version when you release the floor and you are just trying to balance in one leg. Spread your consciousness through the body and try to breathe for 6-8 deep breaths. When you are ready, slowly come. And lastly, I would like to show you a modification with the wall. Come back to Ardha Chandrasana and place your feet on the wall. See that both heels are strong. Try to align yourself so your body becomes very narrow from the side. Engage all the bandhas, insert your spine inside the body and push the psoas muscle forward. See that both sides of the torso is long, shoulders are away from the ears. You can look to the front and you can look up. In this version, we are aligning the legs. And now we are aligning the upper body. We are doing reverse version where we touching the wall with the hands. Both versions, it's great for alignment. Just try them. Spread your attention through the whole body.